Here I've got Maze Comet, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select fingerprint. And now, as you can see, you can unlock your device with fingerprint. So just click on continue. Now you have to select some backup for your fingerprint. So it can be, for example, pin code or pattern, optionally the password, but I will pick pin code. You can also require PIN to start device, but I don't want to do it, no thanks. And now just enter the PIN code 1376. Next, 1376. Okay. And decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, or you would like to hide sensitive ones, or you won't see notifications at all. I will pick the second option and then click on done. And now you have to place your finger on the home button, so over here, and just slightly add it here to have the full fingerprint added. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint is added, so click on done. And now, once your device is locked, let me unlock it. You will be able to unlock it with fingerprint and the PIN code that has been added. Tap on OK. Okay, so it was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1379. Sorry. And that's it. This is how you can add the fingerprint with the backup of PIN code. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.